welcome back to another video. We just left the Torque Custom Cycle Shop. I had a little issue with my speaker. One of the wires was pinched and it caused the fuse to blow, so we had to fix that, and now it's working fine. But what I wanted to talk about today, which is something that a lot of people always ask me, how are you able to kind of manage a YouTube channel, and you know, seeing that you do have a 9-to-5 and your family and you're constantly posting. These are people who follow me on my Instagram and they see everything that I do and on, right? So kind of wanted to shed light a little bit on that today, get a little personal with you guys, and just go over how I do everything, especially for those of you who are interested in building a channel or whatnot. You know where I need to go right now? Yeah, I think let's go to Cycle Gear real quick, because I need to get earplugs for my Milwaukee trip this week. So where should we kind of start this conversation? Let's start by basically telling you a little bit about myself and what I do, right? So I do have a full-time job. I work retail, so my work schedule is constantly changing. It's different all the time. I work retail, so that means that one day could be working mornings, the next day I could be doing a mid shift, and the next day after that I might be doing a closing. My shifts range from an 8 to 5, or a 10 to 7, or a 1 to 10, or a 2 to 11. It depends on the day, right? So that's my job. So every day my schedule changes. I'm off every Sunday, and I'm off a random day during the week. Most of the time I like taking Wednesdays off because it's in the middle of the week, and yeah, that's the day I like taking off. So that's my work schedule right now. So where's this guy going? This guy's about to take me out. So being that I work retail, the job is very, very stressful. I'm a general manager at a location, a very high volume location. It is the flagship store for the company for the whole state. So it's a very, very important store. Probably top 12 in the country of that. So it's a very stressful position. I'm dealing with a lot of customers on a weekly basis. We average around 15,000 visitors on a weekly basis. So there's a lot of different personalities to deal with. So that's that. So that's one end. After I leave work, I go home. I have a family. I have a wife and kids, right? My little one, he's currently doing a ton of sports. He just finished baseball right now, a few weeks back. But he does kickboxing and jiu-jitsu right now. He takes swimming classes, and he just started his football training camp for the summertime before the season starts. So we keep him very busy. What does that mean? That means that I need to try to be there for most of the practices and games whenever I can. That alone is like its own job. It's a lot. It takes out a lot. Reason why we do it is because, you know, we see how enthusiastic he is about sports. He's really into sports, and I never had that opportunity as a child, so he gets anything and everything of the best. Anything he wants, he gets. And sports to me are very, 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 very important in a child's upbringing. It teaches them a lot. And the long-term goal, honestly, is for that kid to get like a scholarship, or beyond that, who knows, but that's like the end goal, right? So start them young, teach them everything, and see where their path takes them. So that's that. With my wife, I have me and my wife have a very great relationship. I think we do great as parents, and our relationship itself is awesome. I'm not the type of person that's gonna sit here and complain about their wives like some men do, because I have a pretty awesome wife. She's very supportive in what I do with my channel. We compromise on a lot, and we kind of prioritize each other. So I think that's one of the reasons why we have such a successful relationship, because we kind of put each other first before anything else. So that's that. So, you know, balancing a very healthy relationship is very important. Spending time with your partner, planning things, even little outings, even if it's just a simple walk around the neighborhood. But as long as you're planning stuff and constantly keeping things fresh, that always works. So that's that, right? Now, on top of that, I have this YouTube channel, which I don't have anyone that works on this channel. It's just me. I'm the director, the planner, videographer, editor, producer. I do everything myself, right? So that is a lot of time. I need to come up with content and do it all. And it's a lot. So you're managing a channel that is pretty successful. I'm not a full-time YouTuber, obviously, but it's pretty successful. I try to upload at least twice a week, sometimes 3, and that takes a lot of time. Editing takes hours. Filming sometimes can take an hour or 2 or 3. It depends on what I'm doing. Coming up with different ideas takes time. It's just a lot. Working around the weather, working around time when I have time off from work to film and edit, and then promote it on top of that. Answering emails when it comes to the channel and stuff like that. It's a lot of work. It's its own job. It's like a part-time job. So I do a lot. And how do I do it? How do I do all this? I don't know. I guess I'm pretty good at time management. I'll say that. I try to prioritize everything accordingly. There's times where I do take a lot of trips. There is doing a press launch with Harley or Indian, whether it's doing other cool stuff for Harley Davidson. If it's not that, then my other time of vacation that I get, I like to travel a lot with the wife as well. So one perk from my job is that I do get a lot of vacation time. So I'm able to kind of step off and do these things. Sometimes people ask me, how are you able to take so much time off? Well, I get a lot of vacation time, thankfully. Really, really happy about that. A lot of vacation time. I get a lot of sick days and stuff like that. So I kind of know when around the year when things are going to be planning out. So I save some of my vacation time for these press launches, and then I plan out the rest of my vacation time for the family. And then anytime I'm off, I basically don't have a day off. You could say Sunday's the day off, because Sunday's the day where I'll go out for a ride, if anything, with a group of my buddies. If I'm filming that day, I'll film. If not, then it's just a ride. And then I get home, I'll go out and I'll do a ride for, you know, from 8 in the morning till 3 or 4 in the afternoon. That's my time to go out and ride. If I got to film content, if I'm doing a group ride or whatever it is, we'll do it. And I'll knock that out. Then I'll go home and I'll do something with the family, go out for a dinner, go out to whatever it may be. Let's just say if I'm off on a Wednesday, then I'll be off on a Wednesday. That's when I'll do my filming for the other videos, editing. If I gotta go, you know, maybe it's a day where we gotta put some parts together and film at Torque. Anytime, those videos take a long time. We're taking the bike apart, we're putting it back together. Those videos take kind of all day. So it's a lot of filming, a lot of editing. Those take a lot of time to edit. Hours and hours of work with that. So basically all the YouTube stuff gets done on my days off, which means that I technically don't have a day off. I get a few hours here and there. And if I have an extra time, I might go hit the gym as well. So staying healthy is very, very important to me. So working out, I put that in the process and in my daily routine when I can. I haven't been in the gym in the past 3 weeks, maybe 4 weeks, just because of the busy season with work. And I'm just super overly tired and stressed and everything. But now that season is all done, then we'll start the gym up maybe this week, actually, or next week after I come back from Milwaukee. So when do I get time to myself? I get an hour or two here and there. or if I come home from work. What? Yeah, you're good.
Can I see this just the camera?
Yeah.
What does it hook onto?
It's a little form right there. It has a little.
So you just glue it.
Well, I glued it because it broke off, but this clip comes with the helmet. So you clip it on there, you glue it on, and then the camera just sticks to it. Huh?
It doesn't work on any helmets.
Not
standard.
No, this helmet alone comes with this. So you can put any camera on there. It's built for that. But they sell the clip for you to put a camera on anything. So you can put it in the side, top, bottom.
Appreciate it, man.
Yeah, no doubt. People want to mount cameras to their helmets, man. Everybody wants to vlog. I think it's awesome. What else? So like I was saying, like I do get a few hours here and there, just kind of sit back, maybe watch a movie. I'm really huge on movies. But for the most part, it's work, family, sports with the kid, and the channel. And that's my life, man. I don't know how I do it at times because I half the time I'm exhausted from everything that I'm doing. But I enjoy doing it all. There's nothing that I do in life that I do not enjoy. If I didn't enjoy doing something, I just wouldn't do it. This whole YouTube thing has, started off as a hobby. It still is a hobby. I have fun doing it, and it's become something really cool in life where, I'm able to do cool stuff with different brands and travel and do cool stuff like that. So it's become more than just a hobby, but it's still a hobby. Work is work. I mean, we have our good days at work and we have our bad days. Depending how the day comes, you just gotta take it and that's it. And tomorrow's another day, right? Family is family and your kids are your kids. So things aren't always as sunny, but for the most part they are. And at the end of the day, I try to enjoy every minute that I can doing anything I enjoy. And me, honestly, I'm the type of person that I like staying busy. The minute I see myself for like a few hours, I'm like, well, you know what? Today I'm not doing anything. I have nothing planned. I want to take the day to relax. I end up just getting up and doing stuff because I'm just not that type of person. I love to be active. I love just doing stuff. I can sit around for a few hours if I need to get some rest. And after that, I'm like, I can't. So I like staying busy. But that's how I manage to do everything, man. Hope I have answered some questions and I had shed some light on what I do on a daily basis. And for those of you guys who are interested in getting into vlogging and, picking this up as a hobby or making something out of a channel, and this is what I do. Yeah, we got a little personal today. Hope you guys have enjoyed today's video. We're here at Cycle Gear. I came to pick up some earplugs for my trip. I am going to catch you guys in the next one. Like always, let the force be with you. Ride safe. Enjoy the ride, baby. Peace.